Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have Arweave daily update. This is one of my first technical analysis and price predictions I made out of Arweave, and there I have drawn the Gantt fan, the Gantt tool right here that helped me identify back then the support and the resistance levels and what we have to do in order to have a breakout. Right now you can see that these lines still follow us until today. This is a saved one I have made a couple of months ago. Look at that, Monday 4 October 2021 actually. And yeah, I want to share this out. Look at how this line right here of the Gantt fan line, this is the, if I am correct actually, this is the 1-4, Gantt fan line, that you can see that the bottoms right here in this blue line, we always held it as a support level back here, and we constantly found buying pressure, here as well and here as well. So yeah, it worked perfectly fine, and right now we are the top line of the Gantt fan, the last Gantt fan line. But anyway, I'm going to remove all the drawings right here and I'm going to start anew. This time we need to draw a trend-based Fibonacci extension from the bottom to the top right here. I'm going to remove it and draw it again because I'm using the magnet and sometimes it's stacking. So right here you can see that this is the trend-based Fibonacci extension, and with the trend-based, the 17.56 is a very huge resistance level, along with the 14.92 to 15 around there, for example, where we are right now with AR. What are we going to do next? Can we go even higher? Is it the time that we are correcting more? What we want to do right here with Arweave is to hold this line, the 14.92. Trust me on that, if we keep holding this line, we will just explode above the 17.56. However, in the 4-hour frame, you can see the huge role that this line is playing. We got rejected here, the 0.786 trend-based Fibonacci extension level. It is a very huge and critical level that if we can surpass and close above, we will go all the way to the 21, and it is very possible that we can go into an impulsive wave going to the 38 USDT. Right, so yeah, it is very possible, but at the same time we need to close above the 17.56. Now, why do we need to hold the 14.92? Because it has multiple chances that if we hold it, it reacts as a support level in this bull market that Arweave went for a few hours, and then we just explode again. The same happened with Musk. If you remember Musk Network daily update that we had yesterday, we talked about that if we hold a nice level at the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, we would go even higher. The same applies to now. But what about if we lose it? Then we go back down to the 13.39. This is a very huge support level, the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, actually trend-based Fibonacci level. It is a very huge support level. If we go back there, it is very possible that we find another buying pressure going back up all the way to the 17.56 and 21.25. Anyway, we need to have to wait and see what are we going to do. In the meantime, let's go to the risk metrics. Huge risk with the RSI right here above the 90. Whenever we are having above the 90 RSI, we always talked about that we need to exit the market, no matter where it is. It is in the 4-hour frame, in the daily frame, in the 1-hour frame. You just exit the market. Right here, for example, we had a very huge risk. That's why we corrected a little bit in the previous few hours. At the end of the day, though, if we keep holding the 14.92, then we can have another pump. And especially if we close above in the daily frame, it would be very huge, nice to see Arweave closing above the 14.92. Now, the worst thing that can happen is that we close below the 13.39 in the daily frame, which is also the 200 moving average around there. If we do that, then this will be bearish, of course, and then we go back down to the 12 USDT and maybe even the 10.45, and this should be a very quick pump and dump that many altcoins are doing. For the time being, though, as we are holding this line right here, everything can happen. We could see another pump to the upside, but for the time being, we have to really hold the 14.92. This support level is very important one. Holding and closing above in the 4-hour frame will get us probably to the 17.56 again and the 21.25. And if we close above the 21.25, we can even go parabolic at the same time, as long as we do not have any significant huge amount. And if you didn't make it to get this high trend right there and take some huge profits, then I suggest you to wait a little bit until we have the targets that we mentioned. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.